You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to Agoracom, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on Agoracom this year. Agoracom, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning, it's Tuesday, October the 7th, and you're watching Agoracom Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Agoracom TV is a daily, fast-paced, 5-minute show bringing you the best headlines at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got another great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 5 great press releases to report on, 2 from the U.S. side, 3 from the Canadian side, and no halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our top story comes out of the U.S. It's from a company called Pro Travel Network. They trade on the OTCBB under the symbol PTVL. Disclaimer time, they are an Agoracom client. Now, Pro Travel Network is reporting a record increase in revenues and profits, so great news coming out of them this morning. They're reporting on their financial results for the fiscal year ended June 30th, 2008. Highlights from the press release this morning include total revenues for the year increased to 112% to $9.6 million, and this is up from $4.5 million the previous year. Operating expenses decreased 17% down to $3.17 million as compared to total operating expenses of $3.8 million for the year last year. Net income applicable to the common stock is $261,000 compared to a net loss of $1.9 million in the year ended June 30th, 2007. So great turnaround story about this company. They went from substantial losses to a profit and great increases in revenues. A little bit about the company. Pro Travel Network is an emerging growth direct-to-consumer service business leveraging the powerful home-based business concepts within the travel industry. The company offers one of the most unique and comprehensive independent travel agent training packages in the travel industry and currently has nearly 12,000 independent travel agents nationwide. So the is last at 25 cents, 52-week high of 70 cents, 52-week low of 20 cents, and a market cap of approximately $6.5 million. This is a company you need to take a look at. Moving on, South Peak Interactive Corporation trades on the OTCBB under the symbol SOPK. The company is announcing record revenues of $40.2 million and record adjusted EBITDA of $4.5 million for the fiscal year ended June 30th, 2008. Highlights of the financial results include revenues increased 220% to $40.2 million, as I alluded to earlier. And this is up from $12.5 million in the previous year. EBITDA increased to $4.5 million from a loss of $700,000 in the previous year. And non-GAAP income before income taxes increased to $3.8 million from a loss before income taxes of $900,000. So great numbers coming out of this company this morning. A little bit about South Peak Interactive Corporation. They develop and publish interactive entertainment software for all current hardware platforms. South Peak games cover all major genres and are sold in retail outlets in North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. The company is last at $2.25, 52-week high of $3, 52-week low of 35 cents. And they have a market cap of approximately $5 million. Moving on, we've got Torch River Resources. Disclaimer time, they are an Agoracom client. They trade on the venture under the symbol TCR, on the pink sheets under TORVF, and for our European friends on the Frankfurt under the symbol WNF. The company is announcing further drill results in its 2008 drill program on its Redbird molybdenum copper rhenium property, which is located in British Columbia. They have a 16-hole program with a total of 5,000 meters in drilling, which is now being completed on Redbird in 2008, with 8 holes remaining to be reported. Highlights from this press release include we've got hole 152, which returned 0.092% molybdenum over 84 meters, and included within that we've got 0.187% molybdenum over 12 meters. We also have hole number 157B, which returned 0.23% molybdenum over 40 meters. So great numbers coming out of Torch River this morning. A little bit about the company. They have an advanced molybdenum property, Redbird, which has a recently updated NI 43-101 compliant resource estimate of 118 million pounds of molybdenum indicated and 79 million pounds of molybdenum inferred. Excuse me. Incorporating drilling in 2007. And a little bit about Redbird. They're a large porphyry-style molybdenum copper deposit that is still open in all directions. The company is last at 6 cents. 52-week high, low of 40 cents and 5 cents, and a market cap of approximately $3 million. Moving on to Katera Resources on the venture under the symbol QTA and on the Amex under the symbol QMM. This is a joint venture press release put out by Katera and their 50% joint venture partner, Blackberry Ventures. They've announced assay results for the remaining 8 drill holes of an infill drilling program at their Nieves Silver property, which is located in Mexico. Highlights of the press release today include hole QTA80, which returned 1.5 meters of 4,020 grams per ton of silver, so that's a big concentration of silver. And we've got hole QTA76, which returned 114 meters, averaging 48 grams per ton of silver. And included within that, we've got 1.7 meters, averaging 634 grams per ton of silver. A little bit about Katera. They're a junior exploration company focused on making significant mineral discoveries in North America. Company's last at 131, 52-week high low of 390 and 120, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $114 million. And finally, I've got Motapa Diamonds and Lucara Diamond Corporation. This is a joint press release. Motapa trades on the venture under the symbol MTP, and Lucara trades on the venture as well under the symbol LUC. They're reporting on the recovery of a 23.4 carat diamond in the initial stage of the Phase 2 bulk sampling at the Mothai project, which is located in Lesotho, Africa. Highlights from this press release state that the diamond is a white anhedral stone that is being confirmed as a type LLA diamond using a frequency-specific ultraviolet light type LLA tester developed by the Swiss Gemological Institute. Now, type LLA diamonds provide a high proportion of the world's highest value stones on account of their exceptional color clarity. So that's great news coming out of this company. Girl's Best Friend Diamonds, they had a 23.4 carat diamond. So this is one you should be taking a look at if you are interested in diamonds. A little bit about the company. They're a diamond exploration company with a 100% interest in diamond prospecting license in Namibia, 60% interest in diamond prospect licensing in Western Zambia, and a 60% interest in diamond prospecting licenses in Botswana. Company's last at 27 cents, 52-week high of 60, 52-week low of 25, and the market cap currently stands at approximately $10 million. As stated at the beginning of the program, I have no halts to report. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in once again. Please join us tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM.